mine rocks. Mining rocks instantly gives us coins and RP. See this? And yeah, so you want to go equip?
Thanks for giving me this crowbar and stuff, by the way. All I have is my backpack and
By the way, what is in my backpack?
And flashlight. Ooh!
All I need is this. I guess you can throw the dynamite.
Yay! Hold up. I want to... How do I work? Ah. Grenade! Ah! Ah! Oh my god, I just got so scared. I got so scared. I saw the fuse going down and I thought it was gonna kill me. And I forgot you had to hit a button to let it explode. What'd you say?
I don't got a lot of items, but let's go.
Okay. I still have my couple sticks, so I'm good.
Oh, crap. Yeah, that we were using a crowbar.
Okay, hold up.
Shut up, you gotta wait for me, sir.
Come on, bruh. Bruh. Hold on, my... Hurry up! Should we mine the ones that are outside the cave?
Sure, I guess.
Yeah, let's get some... Oh, wait, never mind. None have appeared yet.
Okay, I guess we're going inside of the cave.
It echoes.
Oh.
No.
Guess what?
What? Okay, thanks. I'm turning mine off.
Remember, we've played this before.
We
need a... No. We need to watch out for spiders.
True.
Where's that? Oh, there's some silver. There's some iron. Wait, what should we call it? Silver or iron?
Let's just call it silver because it does give a lot of money, though.
Any amethyst?
Oh, there's a lot of things down there. Hold up.
Oh, there's a little,
Oh, piece going
there's
down?
silver coming down to you. There's silver coming down to the bottom.
We'll go down and get that. Oh, there is an... What should we call it? Amber mine? An amber? Because, look, an amber mine, bro. There's, like, so much amber.
Yeah, sure. Wait, what do you mean amber?
Well, that's what I think it is. Oh, God.
It's silver.
That's not silver. It's amber for me. It's the orange thingies for me.
It's silver.
No, for me it's like it's amber. Dang it. Dude, I'm not getting anything.
You don't see anything.
Dude, why do these things just keep appearing? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Dude! Okay, you gonna grab the silver? It's over here.
Yeah, no, that's the silver that I was talking about, and you said...
Oh, there's more silver. Hold up. Look. Hold up.
Hold up. LR.
Yeah.
Can you be the miner for me? You mine all the stuff, okay?
Sure. Okay.
I'm gonna be the one with the iPad watching out for monsters.
Yeah. And this also does damage to people.
Not like that.
Not people, but monsters too. Dude, I'm not getting anything.
Let's just head up to where the...
Hold up. What? Do I just leave a crowbar down here?
No, grab it.
Well, come back down. I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold up, wait.
You ready to zip?
Yep. Okay, wait.
Head up to where silver mines.
I don't see silver mines. That's just normal thingies.
No, this is not copper. This is silver.
It's an orange thing.
I don't know. I think I can. No!
No, get it. No.
The silver.
Okay, that's
Take this. Take some. Okay. We're gonna put all of our stuff like right here.
Whenever I upload this video, you'll see what I mean on what I see. It's not silver, bro.
But for me, it's silver. I'm not kidding. Like they're dropping silver.
For me, it's the like ones that are outside of the cave and stuff.
The copper?
Yeah.
And when you said there wasn't copper on my screen, there was copper. Keep on mining, brother.
Damn.
Or do you have...
Nothing's dropping, bro.
Here's some silver.
Yeah, I saw it. But I didn't mine a silver rocket. For some reason, I'm still getting coins even though we're like not selling them. Does that happen to you too sometimes?
I don't know.
Whoa, bro. Do you need me to put some
Don't
stuff?
take any of my stuff, okay?
Okay. So is this all your stuff that you're taking? Should I dump some of my sticks? Because I have 2 sticks.
Yeah, dump your sticks. We're using crowbars.
Okay.
Okay, I guess we're gonna have to use your backpack for now.
Okay.
Cause I'm keeping track of the monsters.
Oh. Hold up. Come back.
Oh, there's some gold over here. Come on, there's a lot of gold over here.
There's nothing over there. Where are you? Hold up.
I'm heading over to gold.
Dude! Oh god, there's a spider. This is... Hold up. What do you see? Is it like a blue and red thingy?
Amethyst, amethyst, amethyst. And then a lot of gold over here.
All I see
Here,
is...
just give me a crowbar. Give me your crowbar and I'll mine it.
No. Hold up. Dude, I swear.
No, because then... right here.
Right here? Okay, hold up. You'll give it back to me, right?
Yeah, just mine it.
All I see is the
Mine
blue
right
and
here.
red ore. That thing. Everywhere, that's all I see. Whenever I upload this video, you'll see what I mean. Like, everywhere, that's all I see.
When I upload this video, you'll see what I mean.
Okay.
Oh, there's a big gold piece.
Okay.
A big one.
Okay. Hold up.
Let me check for the amethyst.
Dude, I left my backpack! I left my backpack!
Don't worry, we can use mine.
Okay, I left my backpack. My backpack had crowbars in there. Well, not crowbars, crowbar, but still. Hold up. Where were we last? We gotta go back where we were before.
It was over here when we were mining the silver. Right there.
Okay, good. This has a crowbar in there.
Nice, 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 nice.
Do I have it on?
Yes. But
Okay.
promise.
No, I
oh,
see
there's gold right here.
This is amber, bro. Oh, now it just saw.
No, that's...
Why is it taking so much hits? This amber is meant to take 1 hit.
That's gold.
Oh, gold ingot!
I know. But you're gonna have to
Yo,
hold my backpack.
I just got a gem
Where? I don't see anything.
from mining. Like the gems that we use to get new stuff.
You're mining nothing. You weren't mining anything right here. And I also heard a spider, so let's hurry up and grab our stuff and go.
Yeah. Where are we going?
We're heading back.
Okay, hold up. Wait for me to put my stuff in. Okay. We're using the zip line? If I fall, you're gonna have to come back down for me. Oh, I guess we're both coming down. Okay. This one?
Yeah, let's head up.
Oh.
Did you fall?
I'm here.
Okay.
We going there? Hold up, wait.
Ooh, I see copper and amethyst.
I see the red thing. I don't know. Okay.
Okay, you ready to leave now or something?
Yeah, wait. Okay, hold up. All right, this way. Let's go.
Yeah, let's be careful for spiders, because we don't want to lose any of our stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, let's go. We're gonna make it out. Oh, flip.
There's nothing behind us. Woo! Okay, we're good.
Do you know what was behind us?
What?
My controller that I just threw.
Let me turn off my flashlight.
It's flying away!
Bro, why do you always do that?
I don't know, I don't even click the button. And it just starts flying.
Come on.
Okay. Afterwards, can I do it?
Okay.
Hold up. I
Whoa,
want
is
to drop
that
all my
I
stuff.
collected? You're gonna be kidding.
When I drop all my stuff, do not sell it, okay?
What?
There's something in there that I... Okay.
You collected everything, bro. Okay, we sell them now?
Yep, sell 'em. Hope you have fun at LR1 Express.
Have a good flight. Bye.
Let's see how much money we make.
Ooh,
Oh,
okay.
oh!
Here, look, I'll show you what I mean. Look, I have his gem. I got a gem from. I got
Where
a
did
gem
all my
from mine.
bolts go?
See?
Where did all my bolts go? Remember when I have 20,000? Look!
Huh. Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go in there so we can sell your...
Yeah, I got
so
it
we can
still.
use...
Whee!
Where did all my stuff go?
Okay. So,
What am I use?
last thing I got was an ender pearl.
Last thing you got was an ender pearl?
Yeah. But I'm glad I went.
Hold on, let me find something that I own that I should suggest you get.
Okay. Well, I might not get it.
This one right here. This one right here.
What is it?
It gives you an extra storage in your backpack.
Hold up. Can you?
Seriously, an
Yeah. Here. Hold up. I'm putting my flashlight here. We can't leave without it. Mainly because I want to get this rocket.
And I really want to see what's on the very top of it.
Woo! I got a rocket! I got the rockets that can make you fly.
But first, let me try to get up here so I can see what item is on top of the tree.
Yeah, same. Okay, hold up. I'm going up with you.
I'm using my Gorilla Tag skills to climb up here.
Okay, let's see what the next one I get.
I'm inside the tree now.
No, what is it? No.
I don't know. There's this blue thing.
Well, does it say anything? He's not here anymore, bro.
Hello?
What?
At the very bottom is tax evasion.
Hold up. Coming. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, don't kill me. No! Man. I died. Where are you? I'm just leaving. I'm leaving him behind. Beauty. Okay, I want to show y'all the thing I got and what it does. No. Aha. Look. I'm iron. Woo! Okay, that's fun. Oh no. Where did I go? Oh no.
Are
Where are you? Whee! Huh. Hello?
Bro, I ended the video.
Oh, okay. I'll end it.